This course is a combination of disseminating unspoken wisdom within the conscious dance world, mixed with some cool science and practical self-help exercises. Oh, and of course, a little bit of fun, because that's just who I am. Let me share with you some of the goals I have for you in this course. They are to increase your confidence so you can step onto any dance floor or into any setting with grace, ease, poise, and confidence. To give you some tools so you can begin to decode subtle messages and spot missed cues about connecting with others or when they want to connect with you. To help you learn what safety is for you and how to own your responsibility to keep yourself safe. And lastly, to build lasting connections with yourself and with others. So what are we going to cover in this course? There are 6 modules that will cover 1, what conscious dance is, Module 2, basics of conscious dance spaces, Module 3, the structure and details of movement medicine dance and what makes it unique, 4, how to use body language to free your dance, Number 5, introduction to human energetics, and to round it out, we'll give you some departing thoughts and bonus exercises. If you haven't been able to guess it yet, I am super duper excited to be sharing this course with you. Body language and human energetics are completely intuitive, and yet even in a completely nonverbal space, we are still often left guessing, wondering, or feeling clueless on how to interpret what is being said. Furthermore, we engage in reading nonverbal communication and energy between people, whether we're conscious of it or not, and whether we can see it or not. For example, when there's a discrepancy between the nonverbal and the verbal communication that's being said, people will always follow the nonverbal communication. This is when you might find yourself second guessing yourself, being like, I think I heard them say this, but something else seems to be said. That's because you're tuning into the nonverbal communication and you're following that, even though your mind might be trying to hear what they said in the verbal world. Now, you are going to have powerful tools to help you understand this dynamic, whether it happens on the dance floor or off. I think a lot of what you are going to hear is going to surprise you, as well as push you and challenge you. At least that's my hope. If you need help or clarity at any point in this course, know that I am here to help you, so please reach out to me. All right, with that, let's get started with the course. Please meet me in the next video.